What helps you make good decisions? Skill 3 is awareness of values hierarchy. Being aware of your values can greatly help you in making decisions that are coherent with the truth of who you are. Cindy Wigglesworth defines a value as something that you deem important enough to base your decisions on. If you say you value health, for example, but you don't exercise and you don't eat well, then health is probably an aspirational value. But where you put your time and your money does not reflect that. So, are you aware of what your values are? Can you describe them? The degree to which you honor your values is the degree to which you experience fulfillment. The degree to which you don't honor your values is the degree to which you experience friction in life. So know what you value and make a stand for what you value. And if you need some help with this, click on the link below to access Scott Jeffrey's Core Values Clarification process. It's the best I've found to date. And remember, we're all here to guide each other home. So if you know someone who could use support with their decision making, send them this video today.